The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Start to record. You can't just record again.
It's been 2 weeks. Ngikhoba makhovula.
Just record. Record. It's fine.
Ngikhoba makhovula. Iflule yangibo.
Ubuzothatha. Ubuzothatha. Pensathi into lena ngiyikhulumileyo ngabona ngiyipost ku Instagram.
Manini, one at a time. Kurman, one at a time.
Uhambe le
Sesiqalisile.
Buze wow, ngikhulumela ukudla.
Khulumela ukudla.
Uchomlo ngala mic uthe. Athi ungawenzi into yakho ukukhuluma ngela mic.
Ungayenzi into yakho. Gotta say it twice. Ma40.
No, I think uma-40 is enough going on in his face. Kutenga a discale. It's just gonna be too much. It's gonna be too much.
Ma40. Buza nguraf ukuthi Ma40 uthe sithumela into leninza ngiliyo. Mina bembona ngani ube phakathi. Buza uraf uthi into. Into phoeling ilihle lisasebenza. Into phoeling ilihle.
Guys, currently ngizulu ukuthi
But that was
Ma40 ngangimzwela nje ukuthi sikhulume ngaye lapha ku podcast. Kuma shows akhe wenza ngathi ama example nje. Angwanga relaxayo. Ningangikangena nzawa. Hey, but
ngicela plus just uyiwa and make my hair.
Kebe kuyi content.
Kuyaba ironic ukuthi wena ngodume huwa podcast.
Izolo.
Yeah, I'm an editor so you want.
Izolo kumini.
Uwile futhi.
Phambi kovu okay angwa luckily bekune sofa.
Was it after Sikhran?
After the movie, bra. Manje ngicela udlula ngiye toilet. Angizoti balance ngangazithola senhlezi.
Ayimjikala balance.
Uvuyi ekubana. Uvuyi ngabe sijaku lo muntu ufuqile uvuyi wathi hayi uyi.
Manje litshele ngalifuba kwaso MJ gara balance, gara symmetry sharp. And I think it's because of Manini.
Because of what?
Manini explain to some. Izolo.
Ugcinele.
Lalela dog, yesterday umfonele.
Oh, le roast of MJ.
Okay.
Izolo umfonele umchomo
Ah,
Robert.
Ma40. Don't do it.
Hey, one at a time.
One at a time. Simele vele order la. Izolo umfonele umchomo uthanga Robert Malunda. Robert safunda sonke primary school and high school. So he's actually blind and I think we say cancel for the
blind.
Ngaboni.
Oh.
He's blind. He's
Thomas
a blind guy.
Mafumo.
Thomas unde Robert Malunda.
Okay, sorry.
So so zemfonela izolo sesithi kari kamera. Ngiyakuzwa lapha uku podcast la ngithi bazocheck i podcast lawo ethi ebesesithi kimi kalokuqala amasabatha mina ngithi hayi ngiyeke ngizidlalela vele amajida wonke lawana ku-podcast
Amasabatha.
ebesithi ucherilwana ke ngabe sithi uphola amabele amakhulu
Hayi guys.
No, but here's the thing. Akaboni. So how did, like, do you hear my description? When I said Lord amabele amakhulu, what was I describing? I was like, oh. But it depends what So iora yakhe yazwakala.
Ukuthi makhulu mayebona isiphofu. Mafuthi sicokhuluma uphendukisa ama chips lapha.
You don't see. Akunalelo movie mina.
Stevie Wonder.
Inhlamba lana engiyikhulumileyo lana. Siqalisa Jane. Usolisipana ngama voice note.
But ziyasebenza amafoni leziya. Mina vele ile phone. Ingcebe
Asenza
text to
amafoni.
speech or someone uses it for you because you know phones now have that thing. Elama tones where you can hear different tones for what you're pressing or
Amanye.
Yena ule assistant like ule assistant lapana like antu yahamba ko accessibility. I think someone into accessibility wamenzela waba he knows like nxa ufona iyakhuluma ukuthi nguzibani okhuluma that type of thing. Yeah, so
ya strap isindebele.
isona blind. Pressure isona blind.
Uthi Siri.
Hawu. Don't
Hayi
say
bese
like
Siri.
that.
Akala Siri.
Mina sengasakhuluma ngihlamba. Vele angisakhuluma inhlamba manje ngifuna ukukhuluma. Kabela. Kule story sakho lesene simnandi senomele siqalise ngaso.
Izolo vele kwenzakala amafanis amaningi.
Aphenduke phela iphepha leli.
Izolo mele ngiyo. Imemory.
The rest of MJ may just start.
Ngihambe ngambuza umjida wantshela ukuthi
How? Lawo lokho bekukhumbula.
hayi mbuza umdala.
Oh.
Itime lami sake sathi sahlala eKasi kunguDecember. Actually ngikhumbule because I was at the house and I was behind the house and I remember ukuthi abantu abehlala ngemva kwangikhaba besizonda because wathi nguDecember umdala wami irabhi iradio uMarshall wangemva ngalo siqasa ujikela amatshe phezulu kweroof wasebiza umdala phandle wabe sithi umdala amehlisa ivolume because umdala kuyastarta phakathi.
What December?
Bathi
Umdala wathi uthini?
December.
It was at December like maybe 99 or 2000 I can't remember what year it was.
Ha, I was in grade 7. I was in grade
Ade
7.
laphila Nkosi yami.
Akathi sla.
Abe.
Lalela phela. Umntana wesithi
Awonshayi.
umntana sorry. Wathi umntana kuyastarta phakathi. Dala wesithi umntana kuyastarta. Okay. Asenze so. Wena lethi report yomntana wakho ufuna imcishela iradio yathi. Mina bese nginika report yomntana amahleze eqinwe radio right now. Sibona ukuthi umntana wakho nyemcishela yini iradio. Umasalana wabesithi no that doesn't mean wesithi umntana wakho lo ostarta ngoDecember. Ngale ama better marks than owami usayiradio right now. Ngiyacisha. Wathi ngiwahle ngitshele masara umntwana ngayidala udali. Ngaze ngicishe iradio yakho nje singayeza. And that woman never spoke to us the whole time dog. So nje ngimdala ngimbuza ukuthi kanti mdala yakho umlilo
Beef yabo le genuine. Tina je member makena zosibazonde ethi ibhore la wena umama lona walishisa so fuck them.
But
Oyihlala bepheka umbhida. Abamakhelwane lawana ehlala belibulala ngearoma yombhida so
Yombhida uzifaka le dube empideni. Yes.
abe dish man.
Yeah, kulento sasiphikisana la asange sabe sakhuluma podcast la.
Lina
Eyombhida le
onyeni.
onion.
Iflu Nkosi yami kunini?
Like kulabantu
Kulabantu sitshele kuma comments. Lipheka umbhida le onion lini. Sale ngamahole.
Zani ningabe kugcwala kubi la. Ngabe kugcwala kubi la. Impida le onion lini. Impida le onion.
Uthola kwezinda.
Impida le onion.
Futhi namhla kakhulumi kunini ehlafuna?
Amaqoqo ke liyazi.
That's why.
Hayi.
Difaka ionion uphele empideni that's your only flow.
Dr. Flow nje ethi abantu lina likhothi
That's your only flow.
abantu abakhothi izitho lezitho umangaliswe lokhu zenini.
Ionion.
Mina rather kota izinto zamfaka onion umpithe.
Wena.
What's your problem?
Mafoti.
It's not even a thing ukuthi kuthiwa kumbe kuyanyanyisa like get confused palette lokhana guys.
Confuse palette.
Palette ngobani? Actually it's
Fana lokudesha
in.
Hennessy ngemazowe.
That's true.
Yeah, kuhlanganisa into bezingangani.
All right. Let me explain something. Umbhida is a relish, right? Ucheba ngakho. Man. Umpita is the relish. Now, just for Umpita aside, then all other relishes that you have, like now Cheba Lapana, do you not put onion in there? How does it confuse the palate?
Niki Mike. Why Kurumela Mike at the same coach?
Shafuna fast, Baba.
Guys, this is the Doritos show. We're doing what we're doing. Vui, ngithe mina. Ungafuna uba psych. Ungafuna uba
Kwazi njani ama Doritos ona la pita le
Mana nginya
onion.
Doritos. But ungafuna ukuthi ube
Ama Doritos ale
intelligent
onion.
kakhulu ngento le.
Akona.
Ngunike i-example yokuthi ufuna ukudesha i-NS
Ngemazoe.
ngemazoe.
Mina abuza
Imazoe yona iyodwa is a good thing. 10 out of 10 product. I-onion laphana ku-braai lapha kumbe kwezinye indawo. 10 out of 10. But embhideni it just doesn't go.
abuza ngathi libhayibhili liphelathi umbhidi uphekwa njani.
Very far.
Igarlic ke.
Mepenxe into ephumula ke ukuthi akufake onion.
onion inika umpita iflavor. Oh, what flavor do you want in pita?
Onion flavor.
Get away.
It's nice.
Ah,
But
Very
when
nice.
abantu
Asenzeni poll ma-comments. Onion embhideni, yes or no?
Eh,
Abayawina
Uzathana wedwa ndoda. Uzathana ndoda.
asoke ngidliwe la.
sala abazawina le ufake onion nempita nalabana bona bonke nalabana abakwana.
Boom. Vele yi-violence. Because why would you put
ngani shy
Mfowethu namhla
Bluetooth.
ngathi ubuye elanda ukuzothethisa abantu. Like last week ngathi ngihambe etown but
Catulo zika Ralph.
Zinhle.
Kwapha ngithethe ividiyo engamboni sithi ngizamthega ku-Instagram.
Bro. Guys, don't even face.
Isicathulo
Then
lesi.
ubuze wathi, do you know who I
What's
am?
up, guys?
Amfana uchenile.
mele
Sere smooth izicathulo zethu.
Asisa.
Awususumkhukhu wakho lapha.
mafake ngifo khona.
Ah, khona khona. Nijala kulo. Ah, sijala kulo.
Kwento.
Nathela ngikume ihlamba. Anjala ngikume ihlamba.
But no, yazi mfuna
Zangenza ngikume ihlamba.
Mfuna
Podcast
sesina.
na ngikume ihlamba.
Mfuna setha amapage ezicathulo.
Hayi,
Sonke la. Lalela nini.
Ukuthi
Mfuna
let's get
sithathe mfuna setha amapage ezicathulo zethu sonke lapha namhla. Then abantu kuma comments bashiya
Hayi.
abantu bavote lalela nini abantu bavote ukuthi babone ngani isiphi esinukayo.
Manje party. Palaba eliminate phela bayithula.
Abantu bavote
One at a time.
siyavumelana ukuthi abantu like
Asivumelani.
setha pictures ezicathulo.
Asivumelani.
Setha pictures ezicathulo.
Asivumelani.
Abantu bavote abasaye babekwazi ukuthi yeza.
Anankinga. Angifuni.
Abasaye babekwazi.
wena.
Jala nilethe four corner bazadinga i-four corner.
I tell you.
Yes, ithola four corner.
Atwala
Understand?
ithiwa ama-four corner.
Asa four corner. Ade four corner bani.
Akafondile sofokona ichicken boboza.
Isicathulo sika-Makoti ngani uzathi praise God. Can I prophesy?
Andiyabona ngathi esivele. Ah, get away.
Ora besikhuluma ngani kathi? Besikhuluma ngani?
Malumdezela
No, benza khulu.
Doritos ya.
Benza khuluma ukuthi last week ngahlangana lo munye umjida owathi ibizo lakhe wathi ibizo lakhe ngumqhele uyabukela i-podcast akacabangeli ukuthi abantu abenza i-podcast leyo bahlala kubulawa efana naye lie yabo so kwakummangalisa ukuthi uhlane la estradeni but ngale stress too much abangazi ukuthi bencinga ngahlekelela kumbe yazi like sure bro
Oh, like
ngangala phone ngamphethe amakaka a lot was going on
so ukuthi umtshele nje ukuthi
with Asparano shout out to Thongo Mqhele wathi ngumqhele ibizo lakhe so siya appreciate abantu abasibukela qede bahlane la town
nako lo mntade ngifuna umshara out but ukuthi ngamtshela ngizamshara out ngidakiwe manje ibizo lakhe ngilikhumbule nje Bari yazikhumbula uThomlo idelia sise a smokehouse kwakuse smokehouse umbe cotton. That guy who kept coming and talking to me a lot. Yeah, I forgot his name. I really forgot his
Thina
name.
basitshela ukuthi don't stop namhla Rovuyi.
don't
But
stop
yes is kuthiwa we are doing good.
Mina izolo bambuzile.
Kuthiwa we're doing good, we mustn't stop.
mina izolo bambuzile bathiwa ucherry
awuzwa
lwana
ukuthi kuthiwe singastophi i-podcast namuhla wona ukuthi bungasalalela
kuthiwa kona ucherry lwana kulo-cherry lwana kuthiwa ngu-MJ kuthiwa mbani ngathi kuthiwa phela uhlwa mbani bra ucherry lwana mina bra I don't know bro like
Bathi no Kenny Scott lapho
I don't know bro mina
Ekabamba
njani
lapho.
I don't ask those such questions obsta phela uyenza
Ano
ngivethe
Kenny
phela
Scott
podcast
lapho.
kuthiwa ngivethe phela podcast ngizombona
fihla njengentuthu
Ujiwa kimanga.
kazi ukudla ku-aggressive ndoda yazi nganto memba kone u-abuser nje
Isimowe isindebele.
udliwa mbani nganithiwa ngenye into vele
economy
I-answer
every
nale.
style every
Akula
style
azithi.
Hayi wena sakuxoxa ukhuluma ngela mic la. Secicela ukuxoxa.
Sorry.
And shout out to K Breezy uphume kuthiwa yinde. Hype magazine.
Hype magazine bro oh my god
But no, la nina. Amfuna ukukhanya
ufuna
ngathi
song njengama-wrestler sorry yo
amfuna ukukhanya ngathi ngi-ignorant yabo. But hamba njani lapha? Yesithi zabuza ku
well
podcast. Ukuthi Grace
Ngibona ibizo
yakwazi.
lika-Bafo1. Abe mbona amanye ukuthi khona bana.
Ngokunye phela okunyenze ngabuza ukuthi wakwani.
So Hype Magazine, those of you that know, is a South African-based hip hop magazine, and it was it's still big, but like during magazine era, it was extremely big. I know Guti, a lot of these guys abaku hip hop, ngibazela from me Hype Magazine. That's why I knew abo LT Do Mags, you know the whole Glitz gang.
that's what I wanted to say ukuthi Hype propelled SA hip hop
Yeah.
to where it is
Engayithi. Even the first time
Kathi mina lokhu
I'm
engilamadisc I-hype sessions I hear those items I have volume 4 where I first heard Morale dog this shit was
there's
crazy, bro.
that one I want to remember.
Yeah.
Me, I want to say 9.
Sokeli record man.
Manini, one conversation at a time.
So Hype is big, guys.
Ekabongani Fasi dog or something. I can't remember which one because I saw even Asif was talking about it on Twitter.
Yeah.
Hype is so big, bro. And I remember back then I wasn't as good as I am right now. So I used to listen to those guys. No, I'm fucking amazing now, bro. So I used to listen to those guys and I used to wonder, bro, how can you know mic?
did you my love with
So I used to ask myself,
Lokhu kumele kusuke la. Kungasaphenduki. Kungasaphenduki la. Ha? Hey.
guys not that I complain about food
Uthi udliwa economy.
Ningene nadle bani engasaniki bantu
Yabona
engasaniki
CEO aba-abusive
Ndoda yabantu uphambi kwekamera la. Abantu bakukhayela uhlafuna wena.
ninginga it's ASMR mukbang okay sorry nangu thatha
I so dlulile. Ngikwazi magazine.
Yabo, esima umuntu ebezama ukuchasisa into eqhakathekileyo. Lina lokhu elibhizi lihlafuna.
so besides ukukhalala kwakho you were saying you were wondering what
No, I used to ask myself, dog, like, how good you have to be to get on Hype Magazine.
Yeah.
But back then, it's because also recording equipment was really hard to get. I'm talking about 2009, 2010. So a lot of us in the city didn't really have good quality music. But you would listen to the quality that was on Hype and you think, damn, bro. So now, for this edition, which is edition 109, Hype Magazine did what they called it, the theme was Rise of the Underdog. And they were looking for 10 rappers in Zimbabwe. Not in Bulawayo, 10 rappers in Zimbabwe
Zim.
who are like the next big thing. And Lady K was the Krumela Mike Lady K was the
Sukuma straight.
Lady K was the what you call this? Curator. That's the word I'm looking for.
So what I wanted to say, like, hype, and it comes from a time whereby, like, there was, like, I'm a captains of industry in music where people that like ran publications.
Yes.
Right now, like, so kuchinchile mbichana because it's like, it's now up to like the event organizers and promoters. Like, yeah, for you, if you're hot and you're featured on a show, that's the benchmark that people use to gauge, you know, whether you've made or not.
Or if you're on
But back
podcast.
then, bro, like if you're featured, I mean, I even knew what creative director were hype by. And that guy was like so revered within the
was a
music
big
industry.
deal, yeah?
Exactly, you know. So I unfortunately I feel like we're not living in that time anymore, but still like hype still has that hype. You know,
Yeah,
pun
bro.
intended.
That's why for me this was a big one, bro, because I didn't even
ihype
ask.
kufanana
They reached
maybe
out.
lokuthi uJay-Z yethu uyabulala
They reached out and asked me and said,
Damn.
"Hey
Yes.
can you submit a song for us? We want you on our next.
Ufake iphi fana? Ekanyoko.
Not I'm pick it up personally. I'm pick it up personal. I did one for them. And then I sent it. But I think you guys have heard it because sometimes I
know that one. I know that
when
one.
you know it.
Yeah.
I know Ralph.
Jay, like I have like crazy access in the city, bro. So crazy. I don't even mean to brag, guys. I don't mean to be Trump.
Bro,
Just
Money.
yesterday, we had an entire cinema to ourselves, bro.
That's true.
Imagine that.
The other day, like the coolest producers tell me, Ralph, you need to hear what's on the vault, bro. Imagine.
They're
No,
not
that
like
K
you.
Breezy, the hype man, makes me listen to his shit before.
That thing I chase and lo Gilmore. Oh, Gilmore. It's so funny that I just bumped into you. Literally, the last thing that was open was a note where it had Amabizo Abantu and my name was there.
You
Look,
lie.
I just wrote your name down. I didn't even need to ask what it was for. Oh, Gilmore.
Yeah, I think I know what's happening.
What if what?
what if it's a list?
What if?
No.
What if?
What if list yoku sacrifice abantu?
It is what it is.
Anyways, besakhuluma mina ukuthi uRalph ebekhuluma nge-access eslive. Izolo sinxusiwe ukuthi samsebukela imovie estekini.
Keyword nqusiwe.
Sinxusiwe.
Simenyiwe.
Unxuso salwamukela. Ngamna ngikholisile guys. Angazilina but
I was entertained.
It was really dope.
Yeah.
I think this is the best Bad Boys they've done since U3. Because I thought 2 was the best one, then 3 was kind of, but this one is really good.
Yeah.
I think it's not Michael Bay anymore. It's a different guy.
Yeah, it has to be
Budget
someone
was
else.
budgeting.
They did really well. Go to Sterkin and Co.
Yeah.
They figured it. Have a podcast, but this will get moved here.
plus into
You
engicabanga
never know what might happen, you know?
into engicabanga ukuthi bahambe bayebukela uBad Boys then batheke i-Stay Clinical podcast
Yeah.
inesimove abaza sungaba le chance ukuthi inesimove yakho ozayibukela Stay Clinical uhambe uyebukela lathi
Yeah.
so asenze njalo
But asitoli asilanda ngizo podcast emuva.
Ah,
yeah
Sizobukela.
story
that is
sizotshela abantu ukuthi-
so cool.
but it was a great experience.
Imali ungena umufi.
It's $5. On certain days, if you're a student, it's $2 though. You know, so Lena, I do my university konapo. If you show up with a student ID, you can watch any movie that you want for $2 on any day. Yeah, but if you are an unemployed youth like us, $5 every day.
Bekungaba funny yani. Uthi
Unrelated.
sihambile
So
kwaba-
keep it jintambo cover yakho la.
ukuthi sithi sihambile kwaba sisiyabukela anti sambe as a group following day siphinde sichayisane futhi ebuzuhamba lo munye umuntu different
Mina ngimusi uthini?
Uthi sambe nisebukela movie.
kanti sihambile siyabukela imovie lapha
Wena subuyela kusasa
Following day
lesitoko.
usubuyela maybe sithi uhamba wethu bona uhamba lo munye umuntu uchayisane lathi futhi.
I-group?
hey
Ikufinyile.
Nah.
sonke maybe nxesambe different sizitshela ukuthi
Omunye lo muntu wakhe.
Mana ngihambe ngiyebukela. Kungaba mnandi.
Nah, ukela uBlack Panther ka2. Alomunye umuntu ngathi mina ngiyibukelanga. Wathi sambe
But
Ojeni wala bana bafisa ukuthi ngabe ngahlangana bezwanana bengaxabana.
Yeah. Nginjani?
waphinde awuzizwe ku
Guys, yelani khonokho.
Kutshengisa abantu.
No Infinity War ngathenga ama-tickets ayi-2 in one go. Like ngathenga ka-12:30 ka-5:30.
Who?
ufuna uyabukela.
Vele ngangikwazi ndiphuma ngifuna ukuyiphinda. So I literally watched it in the afternoon, went in, got a snack, came back and watched it a second time.
Yikho lama contra be 3 ephakethini. Some things can be too nice.
bathi
Nandi
mitha
uphinde.
uphinde but bengifuna ukubuza like in terms of rating ukuthi you rate out of 10 how do you rate lokho izinto
Bad Boys 2.
Bad Boys
Bad Boys. Bad Boys for
Right,
like.
or-
Bad Boys Ride or Die.
Ride or
Right
Die,
or
yeah.
Die, yeah
I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10.
I'll give it a 9.
I'm na 8
I'll also give you the 8.5.
8.5
The 5 is for the cinematography there, bro. Shit is crazy.
He did some crazy shit.
Cameraman lwana I think yibo labana abalalayo labane ebengani sniper nxa shoot. Take kulama angel lapha.
Cameraman DOP.
Ah mafoti lokho utwenza ama move akho la afandwe ngozibani bani. I don't care bro.
All right.
Uka, what you correct the last time? Uka corrected you last time. Uka.
Kuluma ngama movie.
Man, that was a violation, dog. Finish him.
Now there's no
I
coming
think
back.
we speaker different. SK.
It's surround sound.
So
Right.
we go over the sound put me on the left side. Wait, what I'm going to say to you? Oh, no, G. He sound is
I actually said, we're Talaza.
I'm going to tell us. Tell us
It's surround sound, Elias.
I'm telling you, Charlie laptop.
Oh, yeah.
Please, appreciate his easy. Don't as one laptop. Laptop, I'm telling you.
Especially am I establishing short law this away Miami. Are they in LA or Miami, those guys? LA, huh?
That was, that
Miami.
could have been both, actually.
Am I establishing short? I will not be blind.
Yeah.
But William Chope.
I mean, I would give the movie an 8 out of 10 rating, but the cinematic experience, like, that's a 10 for me, dog.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Yeah, I encourage you to watch it, like, with your friends.
Libaning, got the chain. Chains is a puma in Yembes. Good day.
My phone.
Come on, let's go, bro. Let's keep it going.
And he moved on with life.
Like, you didn't do that.
What DOP or my 40 down?
What the fuck is that, bro?
I don't even know.
Director of photography.
That photography, bro.
Yeah.
Ukamera mna mtutenza so. Ngizihlalele kaira uma monitor.
Angela Rick ukuthi apprentice keeper ezibhale ucameraman ngunyoko nxa isenza ama shoot. Because andabathanda ukubizwa cameraman.
No kulo cameraman. A cameraman exists.
Abakuthanda.
Kulo cameraman kulo DOP, those are two different things.
Uyindini is lighting to operator.
Yeah.
But oh, winda wala. Oh, winda wala ndawo ngathi winda.
Yeah, well, try
Is
it.
lighting to engineer dog.
Try it.
Uyindi.
William abakuthanda ukuthi William Tell abakuncane.
But uyindi. Lo ukuthi mahopo.
Mahopo nomabhimu.
Bazi abazonda omabhimu.
People laba bayakuzonda.
Amabhimu yakusha.
Participation.
Like, trust me, you don't call them that to their face.
Sakhumbula likhula. Lingathi mabhim.
My beam box. Kule
Laba
yabaka
masawa
bayithatha.
futhi.
Kule yabaka bayithatha bakamba.
Awumasawura.
Bayitshiya like kule
Masawa kunyoko.
No babebhoda ama-line. So yathi mabhimba bebeyizompola babhoda la amakasi mebayitshiya. Kwaba zasiqala amabhimi labantu baningi. Yona mayikuthi yayisondele eduze.
Yabo ngumzekeliso.
Abantu bazompola njani amabhimi bazompola bahamba la. Babhoda la sebeyidropa. Uyikhala njani?
Azele sikusothi.
Azayilayo.
Masawa basasekhona kodwa.
Umasawa labo bafundi.
Abasekho these days.
Hayi
But
sokuba
what
boma ice
Sixth
cream.
Avenue, Sixth Avenue babe lezikhanye bengala nawe.
Masawa labo.
Sixth Avenue lapha.
Babekhona.
Ngabona
Wayevela amandebele efaka
Lokhuzo.
uma ebizweni lomsebenzi womuntu.
ngambonile kwize ngamboni ivideo yabomkhula.
It's the craziest thing, bro.
Noma yamajita angazi babe bayafaka ama-asbestos besenzani. So kwakulo msindo lokuzithi go go. Ezingomkhula zithi go go go. Yeah. Vele nxa wafundanga utholakala khona.
Lezi yazo
Vele nxa wafundanga utholakala khona apho. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Boys and girls.
Yes, sir.
Sesiqedile episode.
Welcome
Ali
to
yethu ayi-hi-bye le.
Welcome to another episode of the BYO podcast. Ingxoxo 99. Anamhla ingxoxo. Namhla ingxoxo.
Slow
Namhla
DOP.
ingxoxo.
Guys, mina ngicanga
DOP.
something.
Sure.
Liyabona these days kulanda athengisa isijebo phandle. Phandle. Sabe singekho ukukhula box anything.
Elangeni direct sona.
What the hell is that?
Isizini yaso kuthiwa i-fungi.
Chicken sibili. Ipochiliwe.
Ubona this year.
And yabe chipe.
Ubona this year. Sakhule emzikazi. Wawusithi wangena emakokoba khaya.
Kwakuyenza.
Wawuthi wagcwele manje wabecha babebula shamhloko yabo nabathi beyihlisi kuza khona phela manje efa. Khona ukubona this year. Thina sasikula sokubona lokho.
Futhi mina ngikubone namuhla.
Ara, ndabona sokubona lokho.
Kulo mnye member kule funny story.
Mafuthi phela kade wabakhona emhlabeni.
Into awukhulumela Mike.
Kule ntwana lezo into le khulunywa ngama-40 kulo mnye member like sasihambe I think sasihambe emakhokhova and then we part kudala ngemva lo mdalo bamdala then we're like enye yakhona sozithanda ukubheka members let's look for cigarettes then sithi sihamba bakugcila inyama leziyana then inye sithi lina lapha leza sidlisa inyama zedonki member lena bayishaya ndoda
Yebo.
esingaze sabukela nje so abantu bona bana benyama zenze ezixatshiwe abafuni
Qothela ama-custom.
But it's inkomo sibili. Manje bathi
But
inkomo.
bakhona abayithengayo.
Base it's cheap, yeah. That's why it's cheap.
abantu labana abopheke yakhe ukuthi maybe uyabufuna iqathe eli-1 ngizithola company I kid you not
Iqaya.
Sithi ufuna iqathe.
guys
Abali
uthengishiya wasedola nje
Bari J.
bro wena ungaza ungene e-Heads and Hooves ethi ngicela inyama yedola J
You
come
niggas
on
are
bro
full of shit.
Ngokhuluma ngenyama
ngale bakunika nje
ngakhumbula ukuthi umnikazi we-The Noves committed suicide lizwile.
RP ngendlela esithenga nganyama
Ndoda.
it's gonna be soulful now
And ivele lokuze nini? Hey.
Mshani. No, sama feds dimshani. Phutheni mic please.
Mpuceni mic. Ndombuzo for everybody. Into sharp namhla ukuthi futhi silaba faza abayithula. So your conversation ngongona ngathi kuzaba balanced. Question for Majid. Ngani yangikhayelile serious la ngiyathi.
Sasatula hey.
But umbuzo wami ukuthi like do you guys send ama PPN like during ama talking stages? Like just randomly send your PPs to amalokuzeni itulu like it try to lose like uphonga uvayindela nje umntana abantu ngelokuthi because sengizwe reason why imbuzi sengizwe osisa abaningi besithi amajida aphonga ubavayindela uphela
Nandi, sorry.
ngamathuluzi
To answer that.
so manini
Kule member.
dlula ngapha dlula uphonga ubhoda nje uphela ngapha awuyaphonga
The authority.
We got the authority in the building.
Actually, on that note, and Gulo member ubukeli podcast le. And then ngulo cherry la ubukeli podcast le. So ushare ubukeli podcast le and lo member ubukeli podcast le.
bazana bayakwazi ukuthi wena uyakwazi ukukhuluma
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Bayangazi. So uchera ubuya kimi complaints ukuthi yamazi umember wathi mina ngiyamazi. Athi imember le cheki itshona ibhizi indumela ngepipi into. Indumela nje ngelokho
wait vuyi mana umbuzo wami engibuza ukuthi umjidi uyakwazi ukuthi wena uyakwazi
hayi akakwazi. So I say find out.
and
But
umjidi uyabukela podcast
yabo is a very religious follower of the podcast.
so like umbuzo ethi ngilawa ukuthi like Jens la ukhona lapha like akaphonga umipi aphonga uyivayindele engayicela
No, I've never done that.
like ukhona
no bro like kuma-talking stages khathi esansayenza ama-talking stage bro we grown now but experience yami ama-talking stage hey don't give me that look hey you pants so yeah mina nge-experience yami kudala ngale maybe khathi esokwatshintsha igame phela iyaflipa nje but kudala ngale mina ngisakugame
Ama-40 ufithi
you only wait for her to say something bro
ama-40
for you to react.
ama-40 ngathi guilty
No. Mina, for me, the code has always been she has to shoot first, and then I respond. I can't just be trigger happy like that.
Ngiyanqanga ngithumela
so uyathumela mafuthi suyashuta wena
Sorry?
uyashuta wena Ngicanti ngumhlonishwa.
Amafoni ale selfie camera ale yonke ikamera can
So yenza ama-angle usibili
Yena umbuzo wami man.
Please usakhumbula. Akuba upodcast usakhumbula upodcast ngikhuluma ukuthi ngayenza imistake ngafaka ku-status.
Oh yeah. Yeah, wakhuluma sise Mavericks. Sase Mavericks. Wafaka
Ngisithi. Mana uyohamba njani? Let me tell you how much I So I have a private number. Like I have a private number.
I have a
private part.
I have a private number. That number that you used to. That's a private number. The number that you used to be in the group.
Yeah.
Data, right? So only a few people have it. So ngangika umuntu wami ngesikhathi sakho ngangika umuntu wami. Ngesikhathi sakho.
Wayengumuntu wakho.
Wayengumuntu wami ngesikhathi sakho and wayesengasekho ezimo, yabo? So mina bengithumela ubani? Sasichatha abithi mina ngithumela ubani? Ngathi kona remember this. But green. So ngangena ukuchatha, ngibona ukuchatha ayikho picture. Ngabona ukuchatha ayikho picture bra. Ngathi kare picture iyenga.
Fanele inhliziyo yami mbijana.
Ngakhangela ama-chats ngithumele bani ngabona ngathi status ngayibona ngathi yabona viewed by 5 people. Ngathi delete. Ngahamba ukuthi sorry for what you saw. Ngathi
ngokungobani bro? Out of curiosity.
Baye bangani bami.
Oh.
Now
aba yini like ngokulwetsherwa yibona.
Khona bachela bangu4 nomjito we1.
Ha!
Cool, right? Cool. Okay. So kushapa delete nangu5. WhatsApp GB users.
Ababe nacho
unacho bro kare over.
Bayibona ngibona olayo siyambhadala $10.
But then umbuzo wami to osisi silawo la Jane. When yakuthole like umuntu akuvayindele.
Unsolicited.
Kebe uhambe njani? Uyakuvayindela.
I'm sure this week you told you, Jane.
Uyakhumbula inamba lena ngakusebenzisa yona. There's this guy.
Yo. Athi nithi umuntu omdala.
You know.
Igibhide ndoda.
Bro. What hello? Ngathi who is this? Ngaview profile picture. Guys, akangibuzanga noma yini.
Go Instagram yo. WhatsApp
lokuthi inamba yami
inamba zakho zifika njani eEgypt ndoda?
Jane uyikenani wena?
Online izinto eziningi. Once we
You are the promised land.
Bazobamba nguye ngama Indian. Anje ama-Indian guys basiqonile.
Wena, ungakhuluma nama-Mike man.
Kule nto lena ngayibona le. If you don't tell your girlfriend or your wife she's beautiful, some random Indian guy will do. Uma comments.
You're beautiful.
Hey buddy, want to sex?
Wena sisi yakuthola i-picture nje bakuvayindele. Ngibona ukukhipha ifoni. Ngenzela ubabeka ifoni. Ngenzela avayindele ngaifoni lapha bese sithi yo. But yeah, umbuzo wami ukuthi yakuthole like i-picture baye bakuvayindele nje ngokungumapipani. Uzirelaxele nje.
But it's usually just ama-Instagram nama-messenger.
Ngabantu abamnyama or ngabantu like esingabaziyo. Njo Jane ube ngabe Gibhide. Mimpencela Afghanistan.
No, akuyenza ukugcwala ama-Indian, but even labanye nje abafana lani nje.
Boys.
Ama-Pakistan.
But abantu ku-WhatsApp hayi.
WhatsApp abafayindele.
Abantu engikhuluma laba.
Okwamanje esiphethe ivo.
Bengwasithethe impinge.
Ade ngifuna ukusitela ngqondo sorry ka. So you're saying abantu WhatsApp laba lengqondo.
Let's go for uya multitask andimzwa ngempendulo yakhe. Kasendeli umuntu oyiwo.
Mina woke up one day.
Bafaniki ama-contact onke.
Mina woke up one day. Ngavula lapha. Ngabona kule same thing check fakiwe sama picture ngu5.
Good DM yakho.
Kwabhalwa something for the funny guy. I did an amazing show the day before. The night before. Ngangenza show yami bro. Ngangenza show yami check. Ngangenza show yami blind
jokes lapha.
Show yami that was a good show bro. So the next morning I'm waking up mbone something for the funny. Namanya something for the funny guy. Now I'm asking myself, how do I respond?
I love you.
Ngabona ngazithulele yabona. Ngachiya yabona. Ignore bambe wabethuna didn't you like a
Lamanga.
present I'm like no abona ukuthi thina
But of your ones.
kuzamela umuntu enjani ayazo view once kongabe lo view once
12 year
kongabe lo view once but ngiyakwazi gcini dindo wakho
Lo yasonta lo.
Angazi. Angizwa, mina ngizwa ngijike.
12 your ones. Think about it.
No. Oh,
Phela labo
ayisengizwi.
kumele drop imic jam.
But wavula. Ngakuyini?
yeah and yathola umuntu ethumela message and for something for the funny guy then you
What?
open then you see them you're like oh okay now I'll be like how do I respond
Hamna nkonjalo
because
nabo.
screenshot
Because awkward. I
because
feel like
screenshot
which
for me screenshot ngiyalizona so in my mind I'm like okay ngasithulela mbambe emini wabe sithi khona didn't you like your present I'm like I know my sister next time man that hi Mafoti how are you can I send you ABCD
What's
no.
fun in that?
no let me tell you what
No, but I
No,
think
I had to be
double
diplomatic.
self-esteem.
I had to be diplomatic. When you're a brand, check. When you're a brand, you just can't do funny things.
I'm
So I was
double-
like, man, ngufake njani? Ngufake kuhle.
When you're a friend.
But I feel like
Deep down, number four.
But wamsha self-esteem, bro.
Wamshaya.
Cabanga like umuntu ekuthumele.
Nomgana wami bambuza ukuthi awula ngcono. Khona phela uphethu lewana ukhangele phezulu uthika kwaye.
Pethu.
Bakubuza
Ibalaleli. Awulenye kupetule kangcono.
Wesama days angkhona kwakungadiliteki imessage. Is there.
But mina kulo chere esaqabanayo like sasesingasazizwanani vele lapha. Actually mina imi engasengasazwanani la. Anko proud sibili but ngamtshela ngathi amboqoka.
Ah,
What in? What in?
Amtshela
siyambugqoka.
Bomgcini.
Aba that's dark dog.
Amphindanga futhi lapha ngamtshela I think alapha oyinhliziyo ebuhlungu lapha. But ngamthi ade amboqoka.
Wekujwayela amasimba before.
Yeah.
Okay.
But wayengakwazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi yabo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gcina futhi uthi ungamsendela inudo yakho Photoshop ulezigqoka uzendele pheki.
Apparently idea.
Yeah, what's it there? Much better, right?
Abusendele pheki uqoka last number esiketi
Ni ideas. But yeah, nxa ukuthi akule mjita like uphunga uvayindela because
Amajida avayindela mina yakwazi.
Amajida akhona nje amajida are sick in their heads. Amajida are sick in their heads. Ayiphonga uvayindela.
because mina ngendlela engivuviwa ngayo
Lapha
angazi.
sonke si right akulalo yi1 nje.
Because
Esikhuluma ngaye
to
kona.
some extent,
Obviously asoze kurum.
actually to a large extent
Kums.
into yangikhona ilobu sexual harassment thizeni.
Yeah,
It is.
true.
Even la nxa ungumjita bekuvayindela ungacelanga.
Really?
How?
Yeah, the conversation has to be.
Yeah,
The conversation has to be going that way. You can't just.
Umvayindele kuphela.
Lokhu zenini.
24/7.
Kule read the room vele anyway kwi situation.
Yeah, true.
Kulobu read the room la ungaboni ukuthi hayi mina lo muntu wami.
Khona bona yabulawa kwama problems la umuntu esenda izivuna uthi hawu. Hawu. Maraho nginje ngoa.
Kulaliyani yimimi. Yimimi ngibona izolo choma
Pindi
lithi
to me, I
amthaya.
can smell this picture. Ngiyadlala. I'm giving you guys ideas.
I can smell this pig.
Yathumela uphotsho ubhale fish spell your name.
Anafa le moya emibi le.
Lolunya lezi.
Madoda into lezi
Zazigcwele.
ezikhulunywa lapha lingazenzi endlini.
Don't try this at home.
No, but yeah, guys, I think take away ukuthi don't send your privates umuntu ongacelanga. Like
No.
there's no way.
No.
Angaze ngezwe mina.
No, take away ukuthi ungasendela afana be podcast laba because bayingqondo ezibolileyo la.
Wesabanye balamafoni ayi2.
Eh uyabazi ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi
Once viewers,
baku
vele nabona viewers ngiyalayithi Samsung.
Yathi view answer. Ngiya iPhone yes.
Mina wavela wafaka viewers ngiyikhipha iPhone X yami kudala.
Anje yabo.
Ngiyayikhipha.
Awazi yathi
Ngizalela
viewers
la,
ngihle ngithi kabelo levula ikamera.
Ngiyalayithi Samsung.
Chance zona nini? Para lokena kwenzi lokha. Ungabona umjide kwenza njalo ukuthi umthumeli abe le
Atshengisa abangani
press
bakhe.
conference awuyakuzonda nje ngalanda lawe like
Oh.
because as a man you take pride ekuthini abantu umuntu okuvela abamazi ukuthi unjani phakathi
But ungabona
noma
kutshengisa-
sendithumele sengibuya ngitshengisa
Oh,
amajini
hayi abangenzanga njalo.
take it
Why do they show abanye abangani babo?
Hayi lezo yabuyini lapha.
They don't respect you. Simple. They don't respect you.
Or I've also realized they do that mawingazane papaya. Kuthiwe vele wena
Nathi ngimtholile.
awungeneli, yazi you are
Ngimtholile.
this girl uthi namhla ngikutholile ndifuna ukuprove point. I want to show everyone khona uzitshela ukuthi uyadura. And then atshengisa abanye abantu.
Nah, ikhona lokhu kunika
Ulema.
amabhara. Guys, linganika amabhara.
Wena Ralph ungasendela ngofaith in kids.
Ngenzani umuntu zakhe? Come on,
Oh,
bro.
sorry.
There's plastic in that ass, bro.
Na ndaba fa skipeni mina. Ave ngosebenza. Fa skipeni.
ame print
Vele ngisoyini.
printers siphinde sizithengise lezi
Because amajida asozembelieve.
You must make sure they know.
Yiko nzi nxa uyitrophy.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Remember that conversation we had about people with nothing to lose?
Okay.
Applies
This is
here.
where ngenazo.
So now a girl, ngawubona ngani you're up there, don't be sending just random niggas, you know. Because kuye ke bese kuyiwini nene.
But you know, when a comedy gives you a good show, just send. It's okay.
yeah that's when we give you a good
Naveza
episode.
tholile utholile. After last 20 minutes le naveza zambele input ngoba huh.
obuthule
Likhuluma izinto ezifucked up.
Ethule zwi. Tu.
Vele likhuluma into ezifucked up.
silent.
Engafunda.
Guys ngikubuza.
So uyasenda?
Lonke lapha lezi dumbe eziliya.
Ungasendi. Hey.
idumbu njani
Like umuntu ongafuni ukuthi your West End find out ukuthi lapho wachaya.
Jini.
no but namhla sibuzana imbuzo mina ombuzo sengobuzile uJane yumbuzo wakho lo
Umbuzo wami.
Okajeni ngumbuzo wemadlathule ukuthi awula
Adila isidumbu lesozokuthi
Umphahambe.
one of the podcast members find out ukuthi wachaya.
you're done.
You are done to finish.
Asibuze noma photo ngingani
Ama photo
Lo
Ulo
muntu lwana
Before.
like kuma archive ama-archive ongafuni vele
Like
kwazi
uthi
kanti
uyamdlula vela umkhulumisi even ebantwini.
Yeah.
Awufuni association.
Kulabantu akona umuntu.
Amia.
Kulabantu.
mina ukhona umuntu
vele uthi kanti vele ibile ngayikhuluma ngiyaphika mina into ngifunga noNkulunkulu uthi ngoNkulunkulu mina ngiyafunga.
Bona manje uzathi usufunga abantu
kulo muntu zibila I think uJane ama angikho proud ngiyazama sibili ukuthi nani masisemphakathini nani
Uyabutubhula umlomo khayelele.
ukuthi kungabe lama vibes
Ngiyatshela
angayisi
ngisabonisa. Ngiyatshela ifela into angisabonisa.
manje bakusabonisa khona khona pha
Mina jake phela
And
ngiyahlonipha bra.
ungahlukanisa nawe.
Ngoba ngiyakuyangisa.
lapho umuntu
Kanti mafotlo nohamba la that day mbani.
You can feel it.
Ngize ngubone ngale kwecengo kwefidelity center.
Fidelity Center.
Ucross itara ngale uqonde khane kasi daily le Sugar King Kandora. Ngakumele center kwetara.
Wena ba?
Hamba lezinye smart.
Ngomdescribe.
She's light skinned. She was you.
She's that skinned.
Yeah, you.
Hi, hey.
Wena warasa. Afukuza hanyani.
Asimba. Eish.
Ana mntu mafoti angazi vele ngapha ngani kule drug
Cisha
elitshayile.
mama. Cisha mama.
Wena siswa gawe.
Kongubani?
She actually watches the podcast.
Oh, is it?
Kibang ya hao.
So it's a very good friend of mine.
Rashana.
Istaff sakho yini phela mina ngikhawukile lapha.
She's like very akathanda
Sorry na
publicity stuff.
liyakholisa lapha ngepodcast
No.
thina sithi
I've known
siyarekhoda kanti lina liyaganga
Mandla ngoba hambe khona apho mgcini. Mandla ngoba hambe khona mgcini. I've known this person for more than 20 years. So we're friends. Yeah.
How the hell do you know somebody for more than 20 years?
I'm 37. What do you think?
20
shit.
years bro
I'm 37 years. What do you think?
Okay, you don't have to say it out so loud.
Yeah, almost 20 years.
So I've known this person for 20 or so years. So
I'm telling you.
yeah.
So
So
Rocky Dubs sahlangana ngo-form 1 2004. That was 10 years ago.
so you see.
Yeah.
So she
Time
was in
flies, bro.
Zim. She had never seen me perform. So that day, she was gonna see me perform.
So she's not around anymore.
Yeah, she went back.
Tell her I said hi.
hey lawe tumile
Yes,
khona
I check. But I
Funi
okay,
answer like
please.
lilabantu yini like
Uthi lezi dumbe eziyangisayo ukuthi awufuni even your West End find out ukuthi wacheva.
I-watch party ukuthi uyabubhizi ukhuluma soku-podcast kanti wena ngoyisidumbu ebantwini.
and i reality futhi
Yeah, that's actually
bakhona like kukhona ukuthi lathi
Mina, actually, on that point, and to answer you and comment on that,
Banomubi khona.
to answer
phela abanye abantu
wena ucabanga ukuthi uBeyonce isidumbu somunye umuntu.
One at a time. One at a
Dumbo
time.
Jay-Z.
One at a time. One at a time.
to answer Mgcini and also comment on that. I don't have such a person, so chances are high maybe I'm that person.
Yeah.
For
I
many
can
people.
suggest
how
jokes. Ngiyadlala.
ilokulena ngani
Wangisa yo Madimpo.
ilokulena ngani nani uzangitshela kahle khona okade ukukhuluma ku podcast sadila la uzangizela eceleni
Kanti lapha ngozithi.
I've got. I know mthangila.
Ula
No.
vele udla fresh 24/7. Uja monati ne?
Hayi,
not really,
usufaka njalo.
Hayi, don't say it like that. No, but I know there's no one. There's no one.
wena ke Moses
Mina kudala nje ke sigera. Ucheri lwa vele kwesikhopha ngamshunanga ndoda. Ayizanga ndoda. Sakhiza nje amatshela tshuni ngangiyiprize ukuthi sometimes ungakazibona ukuthi uyiprize yebo. Inohambe sitshela abantu. Imember ndoda hayi members ayazi le icheri yakho. Hayi majimbo sesitshela ndoda ngathiwa so into la ehle yamfundisa ukuthi nozidumba boss.
Wawukhumela mic
La
wena.
namuhla vele imember lezena zingangithola kuhle ziyafaka ibizo lakhe. Ngoba
Yebo
ismo.
ngulazo.
wayizimo
Dabo
Mina lo vela
Awula. Umphiko wokuthi vele kafuni lokuvuma
does not
ukuthi.
want to say anything about it.
wafu ngikhuluma ngayo
She doesn't want to talk about it. It's that bad. Mama ngule 5.
Mina
Ngcino la.
Wena?
hayi amnangile mina actually akwenzakala lutho vele futhi umuntu angikhona
But la baku accuse.
but ukhona
Baku accuse kodwa.
yeah
Maybe false accusations. Yeah, mina uphisi member. Accusations. False. Wena wazi ukuthi
lies
everywhere.
I'm waiting for you, nigga.
ngiyabonga mama
Breeze wena
Answer
offer.
yakho.
angakhona umuntu onjalo kuye ngokho like a superficial thing ukuthi kuthiwa ngoba ingcebo libomba whatever. Maybe it's just a person I just don't I found out their character later.
So zakudla istip.
Dorcas is the queen yo awona Mr Ip ekhombisa elokuzenini esemjoveni kombisa mara wathi wetshela ombuzi ukuthi amtshela ta ngehlele endaweni enje wathi vele lami ngehlela khona Ip sephuma phela elokuzenini emjoveni aba my sister selandela umskenye wangikhona my sister wayehambe ngani uyangala phinde engale kawani umjito uyele emjoveni wathi hayi bengizidlalela angisalila abejaye buyele
ufuthi into
Izulisa lidwebe emoyeni.
no it was a movie guys
awukhulumela mic wena.
Yo.
bekuyimovie so yeah
Memeza.
Jane umbuzo wakho yiwona lo like awulo omunye umbuzo
And mina I don't have to answer.
yeah
Answer.
That was my answer any.
Ngombani.
ulabo
Wow, one, just one.
Ulayo sala.
indaba
Just one. Yeah.
indaba ungekho proud
Hi.
I was young.
Why no you
I
kwaba?
wasn't young. I wasn't stupid. I was fully aware.
It
Every
just was.
But
what it was.
if anyone wants to find out, let's say power ngimdlula so. Was wambuza recently wathi.
Nyanuka
Was
yini
it that bad? Ngathi Swana. Don't speak to me.
Okwakho kwaba a situation of experience. Not
You know what?
umuntu.
The thing is, mina, I have this thing ukuthi. Okay,
Ungatekwa
I'm young, but then like I really like I don't want to live a perfect life. So sometimes I make mistakes on purpose. Like you say, hey, I lived. I want to speak about this when I'm now 67 and you know.
Uzafika.
Power. You remember that day when I did this? Senkuluma lo mkhana wami wathi. So
njengathi
I'm
zo.
impilo perfect. Ngifuna impilo lama mistakes. A wild nje. One mistake.
No le road trip le ngayichala amajita.
Ini?
Umgcini yazi i road trip ngayichala amajita abangangizimisele lapha. Awudala. Ngayatshanya i road trip ngangizimisele ngabe ungena ibhanga ngabona right. ungangikhulumisa kuqala la akatheka ngiprepared so ngiya-understand into ekhulunywa nguJane because isikhathi yongena daba mthana
You just want to have fun.
kudala but luckily that didn't end up being the situation.
abantu bakhulile la.
Ndoda ngangikhathana because I was somewhere, I was like eborder yeNamibia le South Africa. I was very in a place I knew I was never going to visit again.
Down there.
Dog, I was far. So I knew, okay, no one knows me here. I know. Yeah?
Wanjani?
In networking, actually,
All right, sharp.
Mafoti,
Mafoti
sorry,
wena
don't
umbuzo wakho uthini bro?
Like, who taught you sex education? Like
Who?
how to help guys? Who taught you how to move around? the
Pono
woman?
Mafoti, Pono.
Ladies, who taught you? Ladies,
Pono.
ladies, who taught you? Who taught you how to?
Akona
How
mntu
to move
wasifundisa
on.
fellatio la. So ngifellatio sayibona first time that how.
sense, passions.
Where did you learn? Come on.
On that note, you guys, I heard some people say porn, right? I've got a
Porno.
feeling that for that same reason, you know, it's the reason behind like I'm a dysfunctional relationships that a lot of people have.
Yeah, it's true.
Because your first experience of, you know, sexual intercourse or that kind of intimacy was, you know, adults
In
films.
akufanani.
And by act,
Which is exaggerated, yeah.
akufanani. You know, so you'll find a lot of niggas out there.
When you uhambe kumapono lapha wabona 4K.
Yeah.
Akongala 4K. Like wabona
1080p.
Yonke into grand then wena ubusu chayisana.
Yeah.
Lo wamaqini maybe ngqe.
Yeah.
Ngiyakubona maybe langa la ngikhona futhi kuphelele
Yeah.
konke khwapha. Then
Now, I don't even like
ubusubona
to
ukuthi hayi
Now, I'm not sure if you guys have also experienced my first time, man. Nothing
Yeah?
kind of goes in there. I'm panda.
Yini yakuphandlayo?
Mani khulumi, utheni?
Yeah, okay, like when
Is that why you wear glasses? Sorry, okay.
No, she didn't.
Sorry for you.
No, she didn't.
Yakuphandla.
Sorry.
He wasn't ready.
The power.
He wasn't ready.
Sorry, babe.
namhla ngathi kuyaphananwa nama-jabs
namuhla ntoni
Azali kuyela imakeni namuhla.
namhla kuyaphananwa
uvuke kade uthi waphandlwa kwini anizwanga nokuthi waphandlwa kwini
Uthi first time yakhe kwakule post story. So
wabona ipostori babesebenzisile ubenengini
Recover phela fast.
uthi yamphandla
Operate.
Vusi, answer. Answer. Who taught you? Who taught you? Vusi, answer. Who taught you?
porn.
hey sibuyela embuzweni mdala ungamkhangeli lawo
Tay, what boons and what?
Mills.
Okay,
I
ufuna ube
think- I think-
imagination.
All right.
vuthuza nge-imagination
I think it was a mixture. I just read a lot tonight. And also obvious because I learned at a boys' school. So really.
tumre umapono tuone kuti awufa ya ividiyo eyitika
guys ividiyo lana siyibone like sonke la sesiyiswele yonke indawo ividiyo
Wechero ethumela-
okwabukela ividiyo le sikhuluma ngayo lapha.
voice note ngizithi
Kuthiwa
titimre
bamnini, like,
umapono
Wesi umuntu-
tuone kuti awufa
into efane ukuthi umuntu ayemcela wayengane like isihlobo like
Hey,
engane-
kongani
bathi ye
uzimu.
bamnini kumbe malume like kwangasuwo umuntu othi umbe umngani wakhe bathi
Titumreo.
bamitumireo mapono athione kuti awufa
tuone kuti
guys into
awufa
le vodile siyacela nje sengayidinga njani into
Wena
angitholi into
umbuzo wakho for the
abantu abakaphenduli
wabantu abaphendweni
Ngiyafuna ukukhuluma ngesexy.
Guys, I just got ya.
So,
I am purely same situation. I went to high school and obviously a boys' school, if you travel, guys will send each other what and stuff like that. So that's where
tuone kuti awufa
so that's where we saw it the first time. But I am purely virgin.
Yeah, 100%.
le buddhist dog
Ah,
I'm throwing him under the bus now. But yeah, he's like what? Age gap 6 years. So he was experiencing these things first. So one chat, Jay kule into try porridge. Mfanami. I'm like, what? He's like, yeah. Ngizahamba lawe kusasa. Kwakuyi VCR. Ngizahamba lawe kozivani bani kusasa.
Kunomuntu obukeli i-podcast le wayengixoxela istory.
So yeah.
Esithi yena wayibona fayabo mate. Yabo. So uthi wathi mela ibizwe mate akazi ukuthi wabiza. Wabathola bese roomini bekhile yabo. Bethe qoqoda. Nanti abafuli. Bechabe njani? Bagcina bemvule kho kanti ngumntwana. Bamvulela wangena. Bathi okubona la ngakhona ukuthi
Into ngifana ngoba.
oyinkazana. Omate beyibukela iporridge la wangena. Uthi I was so confused because cabanga dog. Uyibona for the first time. Yabo like uyacabangela ukuthi kulento enjalo but all of esandleni yonke into isiphambi kwakho like that.
Ngaphandle.
Hayi phandle.
Zo.
Tabo kofa.
Hi.
Just tell us.
Hi.
Uyathi haya wakazivukela ora mama
Uyathi
wazivukela.
haya ukwazi.
This is
Oh
not
yeah.
Make it in.
Hayi,
No,
akho
guys.
nisibekela awu.
Make it in.
Guys.
Wa.
No. This is not even a question about porn. It's a question of ukuthi into as intimate wazifunda nga.
Vela ukuhambisa
Asikhulumele
isikhululo.
ukuthi yazi lalela. Asikhulumele ukuthi wena wenza nini. Like lapho owafunda khona.
Wafunda khona.
Lapho wafunda khona.
Asandaba lakho.
Alami ngafunda njengani? Nathi likhuluma imizekeliso yonke le. Yikuyilo.
Thina abanye ngama-novel especially lika 50 Shades.
Hayi imagination lesi.
Imagination.
Lo 50 Shades.
Imfanekiso omqondo yenu ijulile.
Ungabala 50 Shades.
Metro.
Ayo.
Ipimetro nje
Imfanekiso omqondo yenu.
Ipimetro le H Metro.
Hey pono.
Anya wena.
I'm joining you.
Story kumbe like
No, story.
Oh.
But then the image will be yeah.
wena uyaburara vele
ngangibala. Exactly.
ngo-imagina.
Yeah. Sokufakela.
I
Asikhulumela amanzi ethu mthetho.
I don't think kulento engaphandle kwento eselizikhulumile lapha like ukhona
Yena unoqalisela ngapho
Kodwa
uzona.
manje for the bare gospel kule.
Leyabona sponsor say igym la.
abantu bazipholisile
Thina sathola umuntu mfana esigela ayile oyi-notebook ayibhale Methodist hymns.
azumlemuza kathi abantu.
Nama magazine dawana Playboy dawana.
Okay, please, I'm sure magazine
Ungazibona
zindala
lokhu downloada.
Wena abakhona download la.
Nah, ngabona udownload la I think you're taking it too serious.
No, not from online.
Unjalo ukuthi please usungayithanda to that point. Bafethi nje usungayithanda to that point.
Zimbabwe iyajema sizaqeda laba.
Sungazuyithanda to the point ukuthi ube le backup
ukuthi in case
ukuthi
Just
ingabhafa.
No, like a practical example.
But into engayinanzelela kulabo sisi engansiza la i-podcast la. Kulo munye umnyaka engayenza i-podcast labo sisi. La ngile scroll check osisi engayenza la i-podcast. Wela ama pictures sibili ama 4-5. Like for ama cheetah. Random nje. Ukutshela ukuthi yabo so labana actually yazina amfuna ukubuza ukuthi so guys like umuntu anganicela mina yabo. Ngingafuni mina ukuthi nginjani. Imthumela athi omunye ohlathi I don't worry ngilawa vele mina la
le catalog
manje ngile catalog abo ukuthi athi
but kulabanye abala system yokudownload
because futhi mele ibe lo mdlopha phela maybe ukuthi
ngani ngeyakho
ngakanya ngathi
mina in my early 20s there's this guy wasibiza endlini wathi abajenzi kuyanini come to my place
ubambe so emic
come to my bafana buyani endlini yami wathi mvuri wosela inyama yabo sahambe endlini yakhe uthi hambu buyani lizowosa sami endlini yakhe kodwa right nabafana mvuri ifundisa la wale video eKama Sutra.
Oh yes.
I play it right.
There's an app as well.
First one, so yabona lapha manje lapha that's how.
But le nhlanhla bona ukuba labantu
Ibizo like
abanjani.
one Jeffrey.
What the fuck?
Ralph is all the way out of pocket.
Ibizo like Jambani njengombhalo walifisayo. Robert.
Thathi mic namhla ishow lani
When we were late teens, it was in the late teens, early 20s when that happened. Yeah.
Ngandetsho miyami inye entumbane ithi babehambe ebhawa. Then base beyave ebhawa abantu behlala elayinini. Sichubani lafana sesihamba sendlini thatha. Sesivuye kuseni lafana sesilebha bingo sesidingana. Sesikwazi uvuyile lafana abazali abakho basejoza so stitch eyi1. Isifika kuvuyile lafana sitholi. Myanga ukhiwa ngale uvuye inokhe sofena umapuna.
Ibrugweli semadolo.
Ubona lokho idlala ku-TV. Kodwa saphuma singamajita. Savala ukuthi xa ukhuluma phezulu isegedini. Dala gogo umnyango. Dona ithance ukuthi la evuye.
They're nice people actually.
They're really nice people.
No, but let's ujume. Yakwazi ubuthongo bangikhona kuyiswi. But usungazela wena ndoda. Egcekeni.
Uzayikrenka njalo.
Fuck, cabanga yazi imagine sentole ngomunye wenu
One
la.
of us has to die. Yeah, it's
Awukhona
not me.
Akalike nami ngiyaziphumela kuyastraumatize sonke nje. Lokho na phela ayisiwe wethu.
You don't even mention it after that.
Every day.
No, but my point was on download. Like, it's not like abantu bale system download. Like this, I'm talking about normal people who are not like out here like sending gigabytes of porn in WhatsApp groups. Njengolo kuze yamazi.
Ngibona limkambe biso.
Enyoka Vince.
Sendela
Vince
1.4 gigs.
By the hour.
By the hour.
So anyway,
attached.
do you know like there comes a time, and I'm not saying ukuthi sonke lapha sesibukela ipono kaningi, but like yabona ivideo la ukuthi le sharp manje. This is the perfect video. And I know I'll never find it again.
So then ili what's the word? Connoisseur.
Yeah.
He's a
like,
collector of
and
sorts.
you're like, you know what, I just need to keep this. On days like where I know what I'm going to just got you know.
Friends are few. The pornos are red.
Pawns are red. But which I what is ngabukela ibona.
Owakho umbuzo uthini kabela?
No umbuzo vele umbuzo quick and fast and practical. I know serious. This is just a genuine thing I thought about. Like now uvakachile emzini lafana bro. Let's say you're there for like 3-4 days. Which is the better option? Ukuwachi paint ulichaya. Very boni paint la ukuthi paint likamaru. Upho ngihamba usithwela amaningi ukuthi uyabufake esikhwameni uzohamba. Ngibe suspect ukuthi awachi mapaint.
Amna ngichaya bro.
But labo ngabona sebe consent ngama ngezikhindi zami. I think ibaba le problem. I see me.
Mina manje the problem yami. Mina genuinely I just don't think ipaint into indoda. I think how indoda ipaint. Man. Izibunu sinukisa ipaint wena tabuka. Lailani. I think by design.
Ngisakefiwa la.
Lapha
Wona ukhuluma la mic we.
Ukhuluma la ujeqi.
Ngani lalela la.
Qhubeka brief.
If you really think about it. Ipaint.
Uthe bri?
Ubri.
A very nickname nami leli 40s le. Ungaboni ipaint I think if you think about it much even levizo la ipaint indoda. I don't think man.
Boxer.
Underwear indoda,
I think
underwear.
indoda mele igqoke ishoti lebhora or something ushaya like any Chelsea.
Ama-jazz kuyabambenza.
So sithi work suit phezulu.
I mean bro,
That doesn't make practical sense.
Like speaking from experience yami ngokuvakatsha endaweni ezihlukahlukeneyo. Amna ngiyaliwatcha mdala ngami ngiyalichaya ngoba ngivele sembonile bona bochayela wabo yabo la
Akena machenza akona nihlonipho
sengingayekela ukukwenza
Also amamajita alamaphendana. Yabona imimi kaSpiderman.
okusuka kube awkward ukuthi maybe nxa kade kule washing lapha izulu selisina
right sebekubuthela amaphenda
izulu selisina lapha so awkward ukuthi
so buyile endlini sebekubuthela iphenti lakho uyabonga ukuthi babuthela iphenti lakho oyazithulela bethi le hosi ibuthela amaphenti
ayiboni
vela kuna win jakona scenario ele phenti njenge ndoda ele win iphenti very adila text
ngikhulume ngesinye story ndoda ngakhumbula into engayixoxela ngelinye isho mlami ndoda into le neyidark lena ndoda
mntwana
kuyona le yezulu na le so ithi umfazi wayepheka wasithi ngicela ugijima embuthele impahla so bahlala like kundawo lapha okucha khona endaweni eyi1 okucommon
like a compound
so kuthiwa imember lento yona umfazi wesithi sokusina yagijima yabuthi impahla entweni eyizibuthiwa kuthiwa kwakule phenti likamama next door Jay asomanga la I kid you not bro
yo
ngikokethi Jay kuthiwa so wena ubamba iphenti likazibani
no but enye into futhi like it's more yabona ipoint ka Breeze kani yananzelelo it's more no esinye small one I think ama Africans iphenti siliqakathisa
yeah iphenti lani liyenza libe ngani nginyi
because ungaligqoka then uziliwacha ulichaya it's not like iseli namathele phela ukuthi la
beyichayile uyichayile ithe ndoke ukhanya ukuthi umdeparture ukuhlala lapha
akona into
ufike ngaphansi kwethawo
akona into njalo
mandodana respect manje
lokho ikhom namba ukundlekisa
So if
you see
what
ufisa
ukhayi phendi phansi kwethawo
phela libethwe ngomoya lalo phela nje
ngiyavana ngetawulo mina
vale itawulo
mina ngiyavana ngetawulo
ufihlani ndoda
ngiyavana ngetawulo
kumele lichaye ngomoya
mina waye ndivana ngetawulo mina manje ngivale I've always thought ukuthi kulezibungu ziyafika lapha nephentini lapha zidlule bathu ngase ndigqoze ngicase ubabelwa hayi
that's ucalculated iphenti manje
overthink kakhulu into
for me that's why rivala
bathi umgcini usenitshele
ngeke ngipheke iphenti
lihloni bakulu amaphenti guys
ndoda
hayi phenti lihloni
tawutaba kucala ngemva kwemnyango
because now umbuzo mina sengilawa lile mvume ukuthi lingawuphenduli hypothetically izulu liyana lapha ngini bachayile bonke manje bonke
hayi ngini uyabutha mina manje
mina eqinisweni ngoba angwabambi ngemabhenza
ngini
nangikhulume yikho mfaka iscenario yokuvakatsha uvakatshile ndoda
Breeze so ngiyachaya bafethu
mina abanye ngiyabamba ngezinye izinto lapho futhi ngiyenza ijoke ukuthi guys la
senibamba nxa vele ngathi maybe
ngiyabamba ngethawulo
ngiyabamba ngepex ngilizombole khona pha ngepex like strategic
so asivume nini ukuthi iphenti vele
ngilinombole ngepex
okumele udile live
why lina lifaki
kulamaphento okutravela lamaphento okugqoka enemodeli
nangeke ngipheke iphenti elingcolileyo so
uyakwazi ukuthi lama uyakwazi ukuthi enye into
kulama traveling phenti
no yeah ukhulumile ipoint and kulamaphento okutravel nalamaphento kulamaphento okutravel nalamaphento
elihlala liwhite ukuthi like khona uclean vele
ungakhulumela mic
ngede yangikhona ukaki futhi
ezamajida kulelinye ukuthi ngawuse-HIV image yakhe yokuqala uyafukula lona
kumele ureduce ukukaka vele langa la ngikhona
ngalitsheleyi
Namhla yokukholisa.
Here's another issue. Okay, you plan a 5-day road trip or 6-day road trip. Liyahamba, especially if let's say that road trip involves crossing a border. You go over there. Okay, la vele stitch khona licha i-Airbnb vibe. All right. Skinda sichayekila. Ngiza stage izikhindi zami. So siba lo mnyandithi lana ukuthi usu stage izikhindi ezingcolileyo futhi so kumele ledlule border. Ingase belivulisa izikhwama.
uthi khacha
Yawayitshela ndoda indanda njengendoda the more you think about it.
plus futhi esinye
the
small
thing is if I wash
Hey,
it,
clear mic.
if I wash it and I can't hang it, I put it in a plastic.
ungastesha futhi uwawatshila akhunta
Lapha manje usumarinate.
akhunta
Sufike border so lama plastic angu5. Sebesithi kwinlo.
Amapetangona ke.
Yakwazi mina ngake ngenza ndoko. Ngaye ngathi kwakuyisikhathi ngisendithanda into ze gym. So I was traveling and then I had what? Don't look at me like that.
How I'm listening to you speaking.
So I was traveling and then I had whey protein. But ngathi senditravela yabona izigubhu eziningi. This guy was trying to get me into gym. So I said ngithatha even I ngikwazi ukuyino izinto khona. Ngase ngufake into eni1 ngihamba lakho. And then when I got to the border in Uppington, and then they had to pull me to the side and ask me what is this. And I said, it's supplements for gym. And then they had to bring out my test. And then basebeqasa ukuvula isikhwama sami.
How breathing athi indaba ezikhindi fana.
Isikhindi siyakutraumatize after.
Uzakuthengela iphenti fana nge-birthday yakho eze podcast.
Yiko mina ngiprioritize ukuthi kumele ngihlale la angimeleli ireggae nenizingani.
Alama mandandra. Iphenti lami nge-investor.
Yabo ireggae ngisithi.
Uyenza so.
So utshwala wami na.
Ngaphe ngani liyateka alasa Jovi. Nyakwazi uyabe usilitha kulenye connection uyabe usulalo ngesikhathi siyabasomelele.
Mina ngaze ngibe connected le phenti vele. Ikhona ibond le phenti. Uthi tshwaleli sengiconnected la.
Ah ndoda yabo ungadithenganga mina ngabe le Paul Smith.
Yabona uBreeze amaphenti aqathe.
Ngathi frame wini.
Yeah.
Manithe.
Na ngaba lengithomi Hilvika mdala.
Yabo uyakwazi wena.
Dilenxa siye church ngihlaba.
Ni frame ukuthi futhi ngandropha kakhulu yabo.
It's going to see it.
Ah, you know, it's me. It's the confidence, bro, that I have.
I know what
when I'm reading it.
Ngqoka iphenti elitsha.
I mean, the only reason why I make sure ukuthi amaphenti amasharp.
Yeah, I'm a Calvin Klein abedula maybe kule iPhone 6 or something.
Indlela mina ngicabanga.
Ngimpenti namasocks
Liphentile so easy.
Ngithole lephenti njani. Kuba amasocks badawukile.
Lapha yabona khona abafana abathanda ukugqoka amaphenti.
Abathandi
ukugqoka abathandi yebo lapha nxa especially abantu besound becheche
abantu besound benzani
xa siyalungisa izinto
Bare mina ombuzo wami
ngemngaki nje
ombuzo Ekelani sound. Umbuzo wami ukuthi
utaba ukuthi impankaso yayibona empilweni yakhe.
Like umoya.
Labo makanika futhi
chala phani yabungawuzo. Umoya mawuzuchaya lapha.
Emove.
Ask myself awuzi umoya ungena yini? Like awuzi umoya ungena yini?
I think why is that they just don't care, bro.
Umoya mawushaya zunu iphatini emsini.
Like awuza like usidu. Because mina bro.
I think why they abalanda
bathi. Sanga sharp yemba. But ngemuva ngiyabengezwa sharp.
Mina nje even phambili nxa ngahluhlanga ngilokuze I feel like abra.
I'm
uncomfortable.
Hour yonke uthi ohleli abantu bebona umpanka.
Dog, look at body type. Kulabantu abale body type lanti vele umuntu ngayibhenda. You never see skinny guys with their crack out.
I've seen quite a few.
So when I'm a crack dealers are big.
It's always big niggas. And let me tell you what.
No, it's not. It's even skinny niggas.
And you know the irony?
No.
Big used to deal drugs.
Even skinny guys, bruh. I've seen skinny guys with.
I'll touch a picture.
Why would I take a picture of somebody else's impanga?
To win an argument, Bella. If they catch you, just say, no, I'm doing this to win an argument. I think look at the body type. Any situation for you, I think kurumti iregen yabisite. So iregen is clean khabarichi. Yabo.
But kulo muntu okumele simbuze but ukuthi i friend of the show ukuthi yena umanager njalo akuchuni.
Hayi ungamniki mic lo ungamniki mic.
But ngumuntu manje ade ngasinika amanye ama insights.
Nakwenzakala emchoveni ndoda.
Emchoveni
bengathi umchova lo Dakudu sisuke eCountry. Sisuke eCountry senkulumani ndoda. Uyazi ubhutilwana simdophe Kelvin. So you know that's a hard working man. You know. I don't know, he didn't even try though. Uyazi mbona ibhexi into ngibonti. Wazetsala bonke ukuthi wangena wathi yo. That bro didn't even try, bro. That was half of his ass.
Impilo.
Half of his ass.
Impilo lenzima, bro.
It didn't give two fucks.
Impilo lenzima kakhulu.
Bafuna i-ventilation.
Omunye umbuzo barafu ngokubuza umbuzo.
Ulokuze
nifika buzana.
Vuyo wena usubuzile umbuzo. Do you have a question for but mele ube la ubucabanga.
Guys,
Tabo kulo mbuzo.
selibuza imbuzo blind.
No, it's fine. Mana siqale kaTaboka.
What's your favorite scripture?
You're on the wrong
John
podcast.
Jesus wept.
Hi, it's a very good question. My favorite scripture I've chosen Psalms 23. It's the first scripture I learned, so it's been stuck in my head
Lo
since.
91.
Yabo.
Now, my favorite scripture.
Mina ngesalisi sezulwini sesicommente kubla.
My favorite scripture. Genesis 32 verse 6, where they talk about Jacob being a breeder of sheep, and after 6 years he had managed to breed a flock that was spotless and without blemish. No. That scripture talks about the creation of white people. The creation of white people. But I'll talk about that in another podcast.
Dr. Omar. Anyway, Kari, scripture which means the passage yonke phela not even verse 1 to.
Try passage. Not the passage.
It's like a compilation of verses.
I mean, when
like
I feel like
album.
umbuzo njalo. Anso vele ngikamba manga kuyamele ngiqale ngihlala phansi. Yabo. Ngicheck lapha engabhala khona.
Mina my
phansi.
favorite is that one
I think
about
please.
timing. Isaiah.
No khumbula kahle. I-memory yakho
No.
My sharp.
When the time is right, I the Lord shall. Exactly. That one's lit, bro. That's my favorite item.
Ithini?
I'm not
Mina manenga.
I know the book and
Yanda pressure.
Mina, it was First Corinthians. It's First Corinthians chapter. I think it's chapter 13, from 1 to 13. Where love is kind, love is what I've always. What? Love is patient. Love is patient. Yeah, and I liked it because it says once we end the young day nothing.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
obviously my second one was like, let the breast of thy wife in the youth entice you all times. That one stuck to me for a very long time.
I mean,
Nah, I won't lie to you guys. I don't have a favorite scripture. Like besides the basics, which Genesis and what's the other one? John 3 verse 16.
Evangelion
Mina,
ngulithanda
and I think I've said this to Mgini before. Mina, each church I like it like for music. Yeah, bueno. So if you had to say what's your favorite hymn, bro, I can list like 100.
Then that's not your favorite hymn.
Yeah, no, yeah. Because I like them all. You know, but like when it comes to mina HH right? Exactly. Then to ingozi ngabe inle. Asibake sabatheni ukuthi we don't have this sabatheni.
Bengifuna ukujudge ukuthi smokes ule favorite tafula but you don't have a favorite verse in the Bible.
no, siyakwanisa uphendula next week.
Actually, like if you receive my messages, if you see my messages with the smokers manager, use WhatsApp and every weekend kuphela.
Mina
the usual, sure.
mina nzalokhuza nzaliphendula next week.
We are revising.
Teboka didn't tell us her favorite, yeah.
Timothy chapter 5 verse 23. Eat it, the first. Eat it, drink no longer water, but use a little wine.
Uchena zuguglen. Verses about alcohol.
The thing is, I knew Timothy something, but I didn't know the verse or whatever. But use a little wine for thy stomach's sake. Other infirmities.
Oh, Lama also okay.
I mean, I'm honest. Psalm 23 or Psalm 91.
Okay. Well,
23 of your 91.
Verse 1. Verse 1. John 14. Verse 1. Verse 1. Mazinga katazegi. Kolani kubaba. Kolelagi. Verse 1.
John 14.
Yeah. Verse yellow cuisine. Favorite verse important.
all right. Mine is Psalms 126. It's here when the Lord turned again the captivity of Zion. We were like them that dreamed. Then was our mouth filled with laughter and our tongue with singing.
No
Alright,
right.
Psalms 91, give right.
All right.
He that dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Well done.
You're feeling like TT Jakes right now.
Well done.
Have you ever been swallowed?
Well done. Well done.
Now no.
Well done. Well done. Asizumbuzo wako put us.
Mine is a bit more practical. It's got nothing to do with religion or sex and shit. But
Those are practical topics, but continue.
are they really?
Buwa.
Make it
But ungididi imali ama-40 fee.
All of us here are from Bulawayo, right? There's a popular statement that people say, Bulawayo is small. I'd like to hear people's points on that.
Bulawayo is small.
In
It's not
Bulawayo,
small.
is it really that small?
It's
Or-
not small. You're a whore and you were caught.
No.
That's one? No, that's all right. That's the point of view. It's fine.
Yeah, like kusha, like
Eh.
yeah, like into kuluma practical.
Eh.
But my reason why city is small. Yeah, kube lama situation yokuhlangana lo muntu eTown. Same day umbone ku Instagram.
Oh, the
Lilale selixoxa.
All right, yeah.
Like
okay.
kwezinye indawo akwenzakali lokho.
Batsho njalo ngawe phela lawe. Manje ukube chase on live ethi how?
Like kwezinye indawo kwenzakali. Yabo because
Okay.
cabanga maybe nqini ngizasebenzisa iessay as an example. Bangaka akwazi uhlangane lo muntu ka2. But lapho kobulawayo la ifisi yahlangana layo I think maybe ka5 ngeviki. Yabo.
Even I'm first example, mfika la the first day, akuhlalana not even 5 minutes, mfika how far Tumu khona? Just like that. 2 minutes angafika endlini sokuthi
Yeah, incane indawo yangikhona.
Bulawayo city center is small. That's what it is. Bulawayo city center is small. Yiko kuphela Bulawayo is not small. Bulawayo city center is small. Bulawayo is car parking. Usimondi pensa dinga. Right? Bulawayo is big.
A square mileage put us, but
But what I'm saying is Bulawayo city center is small. No, I didn't. I didn't.
Sorry.
I didn't. Bulawayo city center is small.
But labe even le Harare la bajeja rice more. So okunye I think like abantu abalama likes lama hobbies ahambelanayo. They're likely to be always meeting in the same.
I always assume
because
that's what
in
that
ages
statement
and
means.
lives la, at some point you try and maybe go and get a T-shirt Asian ness or somewhere. And kulo muntu la ucabanga njengawo uthanda the same follow Nicki Minaj njengathi sahlangana khona ngayo. Or la hambe garden of so I think it's one even let you pick la abanye bathi ncane. I think ikhono kanti usual abantu ababe lama interests afana nayo.
That's what that statement
because
means.
nasi lama interests vela afana nayo. Okay, Breeze ngathanda oslender sisagcina sichayisene ngoslender
That's
khona.
true.
Yabona lawo la ushayisana nomuntu ade thengisa amavenza.
Je kulo mthathe something amavenze fake guys. Anyway.
Do you know who I am?
Do you know who I am? Awunya.
Ngabe uthengile just to support. Hell nah.
On that point, I would assume let's say a person that likes golfing, right? I think in any city that you get into, if you get into the golfing community, you're going to interact with everyone from that city. So I suppose maybe that's right. It's people with similar interests and hobbies. For example, if you're a groovist,
You will definitely.
You know,
uzahamba elokuzeni during the day what do people
But one thing asikwazi
ehamba
ngama
ku-BNB
podcast.
uchila azithola abantu uhambe kusmoke uzibathole futhi uhambe etincab
Karabantu abanatha during the day now is thought about fight depression.
no bro.
Don't say binatha ntambama.
Yeah, there's something about drinking in the sun hitting you at 5 p.m. dog. That shit is divine, bro.
Bulawayo incane bro. Mina I was even surprised ngihlane lo Bofa. Yamos Bofa.
Who the fuck
You know
is that,
Bofa?
bro?
No.
Bofa is nuts.
No.
Wenzani?
Who is
Wenzani
that?
Beaufort?
Bro.
Wenzani Beaufort, bro?
Piscini.
Wenzani
Beaufort is not.
Beaufort?
I'm 20 days.
Show you, bro. Now you can't
Olombuzo.
Mina ngilambuzo manje eqinisweni like I'll just ask bullshit so I don't have
Abuzi
question.
bullshit, bro. Sihle sivale ngayo, bro.
Actually, khane sime imbuzi le lefake onion empideni so
Ngimengqalisile lo ka.
That was valid, bro.
Guys.
Yeah, give to him.
Mina
Serious, I'm trying to
befubuza
think of
futhi
something
umbuzo
profound
ukuthi
to ask, but I
uma
won't.
ufuya i-pitbull uzamani.
Yeah, ujeni into that echiseka ngayo this week.
Uyi-one lapho le-pitbull. And ngifuna ukuyifida. Ngiyifake
I
ishaya.
was wondering when they were saying they are banning them, are they saying they are returning them to the wild? Are they saying they are
Pitbulls
now
belong
going
in
to put them
Chipangani,
in
like other.
because how do you ban something that's been domesticated? Or can you only, are they only going to be owned guma conservation or ubo Chipangali of sorts? Because they banned them, didn't they, in the US?
In some countries, and
Yeah.
not
And the American-
countrywide, not
the American
countrywide.
bully also got banned.
Yeah.
That one got banned as well.
No, they didn't.
They didn't.
Yeah.
Like, I wonder, what's the process of banning something that's been domesticated?
But abanye bathi kuya ngomnikazi ukuthi uyitraina njani.
Yeah, but
true.
it's
How
true.
when it's the only breed?
No, but the stats
It's
stats
not the
are-
only breed, Jane. There's people that are dying because of purples. There's people that are dying because even chihuahuas have killed people before.
Yeah, but the stats are overwhelming when it comes to pit bulls.
Ungazibona la ubeka ishiwa. Eish.
Ungizabana bese ngivele la bese
Amadlozi ayabe
But like I was saying even earlier on, it's about the temperament of a dog. Certain dog breeds have got certain qualities, right? Like I said before, German Shepherds are loyal, Boerboels are dumb and slow. But you know, the Nama peoples are very territorial. Yeah, one. And unfortunately, they've got that thing like the locked jaw and all that. That's physical. They can't help it. They were born like that. Yeah,
Yeah,
one.
isn't that true?
Yeah.
No,
Ukuthi
because I wanted to
ingakuluma, it
explain
can't
how
let go of
vicious they
you.
really are. Though.
Yes, I understand. What
It's not about viciousness. It's the way the thing is built is that if it bites you, it can't
It's
let
a
go of you.
killer. It's a killer.
It's not. I'm
It's
in
its
saying.
biology to kill.
I'm saying. I used to
To
think this way.
slaughter.
Until I used to think this way,
to
bro.
taste blood.
Until I googled, you know, I Google videos of like cute pit bulls. Ngabona ukuthi hayi isn't it as sharp? It's about the way they're mana mafoti awulanda mafoti.
Ungathi uyinja.
So zingaluma. Bathungu.
But again, no, jokes aside.
Woof,
There's
woof.
people like, and this is when I'm talking about this is actually beyond like even I'm a pit bulls and kulabantu that raise general like dogs general and in a way
my
that is
God.
not like kuti injale is being abused, bruh. Hey,
Can I say though?
do you know like they this is what they do. Listen, this is what they do. They tie these dogs up. Inja nje ungayibopha ndoda lapho uzayekela khona especially if it's a territorial kind of dog. Vele is gonna be able active like ukuthi vele umuntu ezambona lapha engamaziyo ezamlunga.
Okay, listen.
Ngizamenzani? Then kuthi abantu abana who fucking give dogs mustard, bro. I don't even know what the fuck that is.
Vui. Our points are going to see ours. All I'm saying is
And
the
the
stats become overwhelming when it comes to pit bulls. That's what the problem
That's
is.
simply because of the temperament.
Then that's
Don't
that's-
kill the dog.
That's
though.
just it is what it is.
No, but let me answer you. To know why the stats it becomes overwhelming is because most of the people that own pit bulls, they own them for that reason to be what? To be vicious.
Because they are built
Now that's
to
the
be.
thing. No, but the thing is, and they don't have to be. It's not a force matter what they are built to be.
Anyani.
Yabo.
Anyani,
It's not a
Joe.
force matter. Sorry.
Anyani. Jay, yakwazi akhona ama-satanist enhliziyweni anyali.
For you, Kurumera wedwa, bra. Genetic makeup of that dog. Even the physical makeup,
Have you seen how it's
even the physical
strong up
makeup
top?
of that dog is designed to kill.
Dog, it's built for efficiency. that dog.
It's every animal is built for a purpose. Everything it has is for a purpose, and a pit bull is designed.
To spread disease.
Expose amachapa.
Do you know what? At some point in France, do you know what? There's a pope who believed that cats were bad. So much they started killing cats in Europe, and then Amaret's about problems because Mother Nature is a way of controlling everything. Now, when a pit bull is very by design, it's a vicious dog, and now you want to take it and put it. When you're saying training,
Rank it against other dogs.
When you say training, you want to train a vicious dog not to be vicious. That's what you're doing better when you're training it. You want to take it from being wild to being domesticated. Simple and straightforward.
Manene mbuzi lina li2 wasayidela. umuntu ofuya isilwane singafika sembuleli yathini?
We're talking about people.
No.
Ofuya ipython ingavuka imdlela umntwana yathini?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. That thing is a
More
predator.
people, more people. Pitbull kills more people than a python every year. Pitbulls
It is in the dog family.
Pitbulls kill more people than pythons in a year.
Iwolfu yinja layo.
It's in the dog family. Let us
Guys.
make double it.
Ngithe iwolfu yinja layo.
Ungabadefenda ama-pitbull kumele baye ku-special
Iwolfu la
class.
yinja guys. Nxa ufuya into leyana laphana layo you're taking your chances.
Mina admit
Whatever happens you deserve it.
kulama people amahle machance, kulama people are cute.
Zwanini, all right. Now guys,
Interesting party
now
at
I've
the
owned
end
the
of the
pitbull,
day.
guys. I've never had a problem with pitbull. I've owned the pitbull.
Dog. That's
And-
like
Manin, hold on. I've owned the pitbull and if pitbull and everywhere as I city as I whip by this one is for killing. What? Nine people laying I call this normal like not as I
Ule pitbull.
yes.
Mzala ukuyifika.
female.
I've owned a pitbull and I've never had a problem with it.
Female.
Yeah.
Sizobona.
It's like even a German shepherds. Most German
Trust
shepherds
my
are preferred as
grandmama.
police dogs and as guardians, but then not all of them come out that way because they own. Then what you should know.
Kanti ndoda njengathi wonke ama-pitbull in every data set is outliers. I've been saying the stats are just overwhelming.
Exactly, because most
My man.
people, do you know why
Mina
the
vele
stats are
libe le
overwhelming?
episode ni-
Because
ni-
most people that honor my people for that to make them vicious.
Why?
Because when they
Why?
feel like if really this dog looks vicious, really let me make it vicious.
No,
why?
dog, because it is biologically stacked
But
compared
it
to other
doesn't mean
dogs.
it has to be.
But
yabo.
there's a higher
Yeah,
propensity.
It can, yes. It's like ipopo. Ipopo can
siyavumela.
kill you.
Hey,
Eh.
Just female.
Machance indaba le yama pitbull le kufanana lokuthi lithi imoto ezivunyelwayo ngama supercars phezulu ama Ferrari la but the speed limit ngu-60. You're just confusing the fuck out of everyone, bro. Why are you breeding a killer, bro?
But the car
Nah,
is too.
the car is made ukuthi ihambe ngo-300. Why
man.
are you even putting people through that?
But it's not made to do that.
Yeah.
It's
See?
not made to do that.
The,
I hear what you're trying to say.
yazi ngendlela elimela ngayo izinja.
it's
But
fine.
anyways,
But pitbulls are dangerous.
no, but this is the thing. Pitbull is one of those dogs that were created, if I may say, to be security dogs. If you go back into history, white people used to keep pit bulls as security for farms. So that dog is created to be a beast such that if it sees something that is not usual to its daily life, exactly.
Well, it is red.
So
Laba,
Bulala iko vicious when we satanist
Semantics
part
level.
time.
no, but this is the thing.
Ayalumwa ngiyo.
Uralf ukhulumile, how can you keep a lion and expect it not to eat you?
I mean, I probably have more
Because
dogs
you
than everyone
groomed
here.
it in a certain type of way.
Exactly.
Siyavumelana. I probably have more dogs than everyone here.
Lesibunge ekhanda.
But this is the thing.
What?
Ah, come on, man.
Don't.
I have more dogs than
don't keep a
everyone,
lion
dog.
as a
I
pet.
love dogs.
Simple.
I mean, lami zinja
Asiqedile
ngiyazithanda
podcast
sibili.
le ngendaba ezimnandi man. Akulo ufuna usitshela anything engichaza la.
Mina ndombuzo right.
Yabuza umbuzo wakho ukugcina dogs file.
Umbuzo wami ukuthi udake jumper right. Kule kuyi situation lekana ukuthi kuyabuya umuntu emzini ngina. Afika
Sesibisele emapentini.
afika hlala esithi ngiroom labana aqasa ubuyela iTV. And then it comes to a point where kumele umnike ukudla. All of a sudden vele serious vele usebukela iTV. Why abantu bekwenza
Lena
lokho?
etiquette here.
Why sikwenza actually? Point.
Na etiquette awumelanga khani ngilanda ukuzokudla ngini. Yabo.
But yikho
But
vele.
abusu serious kakhulu. Funny enough, nxa kuyikuthi siyabe sixoxa ehluqasa ukuhleka from nowhere nje.
Yadependa la ukuthi liphekeni.
Uqasa ukusitshela ngenye.
Yadependa ukuthi liphekeni.
So ungadla ukudla emalayinini lapha. What's the minimum time ukuthi
Mina mdala 2 minutes.
Angeke phela khona.
Break ama record.
Soon after ugeza izandla nje.
Oh, no,
Time to
Mark.
shuck.
I-statement zona ezukudla emalayinini just shows ukuthi vele in our culture. You see what I'm saying?
Ukudla
emzini.
Yeah.
So ngani it's not ukudle offer ukudla emzini is good hospitality but so ngani wena ukudla emzini.
But mina njengomngane wami. Especially kudala kalesi siku right. But lapana nxa ngangubizela. hayi ngakubizela ukuthi udle lisile
Vele ambizeli.
yabo
Umuntu uyakuya ngisa.
Then the
Manje
muntu lwana
ngitshele,
emzini like
Izolo.
ubone ngane nozahlala isikhathi esincane
Ngemva
uzahlala
kwa-
isikhathi eside yabo.
bengikhuluma ngibatshela ngisithi cabanga ngabone ngimimi othi kuthiwa amagetsi ethi hambile laba ethi uvakashile amagetsi ethi buya uzithole kuwe wedwa cheva ngesawa abanikazi bendlu
Bashiya ngenyama.
bashiya iqatha
Bra.
Amagetsi abuya.
ndibe ngiyikhanuka njani
Ngemva kwezolo esalonade ngihambe kiyo. Ugelwana akasakhe ngo-off ukuthi ngiyadla yabo. But kuthushe esinye isidu. Unfortunately bayidla. Athi didlani la bese sithwala ngenyama. Abesithi ngicela inyama. So engcenyeni yokuthenge i-street rice 2
oleleyani
uyazi udobhe ipi
enkulu
waphenduka futhi azocupha isitshwala
yabo yibo abantu esikhuluma ngabo
alo ebeselambile
abantu esikhuluma ngabo
ihloni zero udlile sibili wadla wakhontinya sibili esidlile uthethe inyama enkulu
ndoda yabule hungary yani ngasela dignity leya
hayi but uzidobhe inyama enkulu
yeah but that's mess
abalenhloni la
abantwana
abalenhloni parano nxa
Uthe uvala i-good news.
akusela omunye ufuna ukuku hayi bengisithi nje omunye aqhamukelazi i-good news mayilazi njengoba bese liphikisana
Well, on a sad note, there was an accident that happened earlier in the week, like the Falcon bus, and they lost a student, I think.
Oh, shame, yeah.
Condolences to the family. That was so sad.
abantu bayafa khona lo futhi omunye kuthiwa uzivulele airport
yeah bro
Airport.
Eh.
Yiphi?
emqabuko
khona
Nini?
this week bro same week
How? I mean,
ukuthi lokuthi uvaye njani angikwazi ukuthi uhambe njani angikwazi but kuthiwa bese check in
Toa checker in, toa
check
yeke
in.
family campaigns le hamba checker in ongena ngale then wasise Lou.
it's okay it's a wild story bro it's okay
yeah.
ngiyakuzi you're trying to understand it yeah I also had the same question
Toa hambe toilet ikwazi bulala khona. Ku check in maybe fine.
yeah
So imagine
so yeah
taking
guys
off before you take off.
nxa ungathi you're going through some stuff
khat into ekhulumile ukhuluma idoti lo
Ah no dog.
uthini
Ah siphinde.
khuluma istory sakho
alright bye bye ke
Bye-bye.
Ngcini, kuthiwa you are 13.8% more likely to die on your birthday than on any other day of the year. Nxa ibirthday yakho
ngendlela ukhuluma
sidlulile.
ngayo ngani ububala into ekhulunywa ngami hey
So nxa ibirthday yakho sidlulile it's okay. Nxa ingakadluli
inxa ukuthi abantu bathaba kakhulu
13.8%.
namhla besithwele ingwanda because abantu bahlala bakhohlwa
ngiyamela uhlale
Award winning.
hayi somele siwine amanye
Okanye wine last year. Mina sinamini. Okay, nango. Go cut.
but siya
Siyabonga guys if you've been watching this
subscribe
Doritos
please
thing.
isho lesibize sithini yanamuhla
Bow, bow, bow.
haya
ngiyomdeni
Don't.
Yeah, empty. No one wins on the family feuds. We're going family feud.
yeah
Ngiyatshotela. Family feud.
bezogejana
danko family feud don't forget to
Gosh.
subscribe like share comment
Yeah, we're actually growing. I'm hoping Miyagwe Pillars mean to the target at 10. Since we're approaching 7K now.
7K
Let's go, guys. Yeah, let's go.
isende
We're halfway.
i-podcast le
Send the link.
Send the
Send the
link.
link. We send it.
isende
Ungabi send it.
amajita avukela i-podcast yakwazi
licommente phela ma-jeepers creepers malibukela lingasitshele town ukuthi liyabukela lingacomment i-comment ayisikuthi nxa uhlala entumbana awukwanisi ukucomment it's fine you can comment yabo like kule mvumo awubhadali ukucomment futhi abanye abantu maybe baye besesaba ukuthi angakhomenta
Even ungafaka i-full stop,
$1
okay.
Liyakwanisa create even a catfish account comment like your honest opinions. Even if the show is trash, bro, you can do that.
Mina ngiyakushawuta.
but hayi papa yini ke so wena
Banana ngelanga esizobonana ngalo.
Madu.
I wanna be here when I'm alone. I'm living on the inside.